Today we're going to be walking you through a custom Charmac 32-foot Gooseneck Tri-Sport. This trailer was special built for the Peck brothers, built as a premium, all-season motorsports and off-highway hauler for their unique content creation needs. We'll start up front and work our way around the exterior, then step inside and cover the comfort, electrical, storage, and utility upgrades that make this one stand out. Up front, this trailer is equipped with an adjustable 2 5/16" gooseneck coupler, giving you a strong, simple hookup with the adjustability you want for different truck heights. Underneath, this Tri-Sport is built on a heavy-duty 8-inch frame and rides on tandem 8,000-pound torsion axles for a smooth, controlled tow. This unit is also set up with a drop spread axle configuration, which improves stability and tracks nicely behind the truck. We upgraded the tires to 235 17.5s, and it's running black aluminum wheels for a sharp, premium look. You've also got all-wheel electric brakes to keep stopping predictable and confident, loaded or unloaded. Up front, the spare is mounted on the breast sheet, and this build includes the spare tire and wheel so you're covered if you're a long way from town. Structurally, this Gen 3 is built with 1.5-inch tubed walls, and we spec'd roof supports on 16-inch centers, which adds long-term durability and supports the upgraded interior finish. Under the rear, we added telescoping rear stabilizer jacks to keep the trailer planted while you're loading and unloading. And it's configured at 8 feet tall, which gives you a ton of functional interior space. Now let's talk exterior finish and protection. This trailer is finished in 050 silver aluminum. This build also includes the blackout trim package and a black painted frame, giving it that high-contrast, premium appearance. For added durability where it counts, we also added protective coating under the gooseneck and a protective coating on the interior fenders. We upgraded to Bigfoot dual hydraulic jacks, which makes hitching and leveling fast, stable, and effortless. To support that system, this trailer is equipped with two 12-volt wet cell batteries, so you've got reliable power on board for the hydraulic jacks and your 12-volt accessories. With dual propane tanks as well, the furnace has a dependable fuel supply for cold weather trips and long weekends. On access points, you've got a 36-inch side door with an RV latch and bar lock. And this trailer includes an additional 36-inch side door as well. Great for flow when you're staging gear, setting up a pit area, or loading from either side. Both doors are paired with aluminum slide-out steps for safer entry. On the side, there's a 72-inch angled side ramp, built with caliber ramp cleats and rubber diamond plate for solid traction and easy loading. At the rear, this trailer is equipped with a heavy-duty cableless rear ramp, and it's secured with bar latch hardware. It's a clean, low-maintenance setup that keeps operations smooth without relying on cables, and it's built to handle real loading cycles season after season. For airflow and comfort, it's equipped with 20 by 30-inch slider windows, positioned for practical ventilation without giving up security. You'll also notice extruded aluminum splash guards on the front and side that cover exterior hinges for added protection and a cleaner finish. At the rear, there's a receiver hitch and RV plug, so you're set up for accessories, carriers, or extra utility. Lighting is a big deal on a trailer like this, and this one is set up well. It has LED taillights, plus multiple 8-inch low-profile LED load lights, including lighting over the rear ramp and at the doors. Inside, control is clean and functional, with multiple 12-volt wall switches and 3-way switching. Now, stepping inside, this is where the build really separates itself. It includes the white and bright premium interior package with 030 white aluminum walls, a white aluminum ceiling liner, insulated walls and ceiling, and interior roof coving. It reflects light better, stays looking cleaner, and feels premium day one and years down the road. This unit includes both Charmac and Peck Brothers logos on the interior walls, and 42-inch tread-bright panels for added protection and a great custom look. If you want true base camp functionality, this trailer is equipped with the 15-amp converter package, including the service panel, breaker, outlet, and converter charger. And for charging, you've got 12-volt USB outlets, so phones, radios, and helmet comms stay powered. We also added 15-amp 110-volt interior receptacles, one at the panel and one on each side toward the front. So you've got real plug-in utility for warmers, chargers, tools, or light pit equipment. Down on the floor, you've got a 1 1/8-inch plywood floor with rubber diamond plate for traction and durability. For load security, this build includes medium-duty floor ties as well as heavy-duty 6,000-pound ties, giving you flexibility based on what you're hauling: sleds, UTVs, bikes, or equipment. Heavy-duty reinforced drive-over fenders were added so wider rigs can be loaded with confidence. For cold weather use, this trailer is equipped with a 40,000 BTU forced air furnace. The heat isn't only circulated into the main cabin, it's also ducted into the cabinets to keep helmets warm and dry, as well as into the added boot dryer attachment. The boot dryer is set up with swappable heads so you can dry out not only boots but gloves as well. So when you roll in at the end of the day, you can dry gear fast and easy. For sound, this build includes the premium stereo package with a mounted Rockford Fosgate head unit and high-end speakers, 4 inside on the ceiling and 2 mounted high on the outside. Perfect for race weekends and trail days. For hanging gear, you've got 6-foot adjustable clothing hooks plus an 8-foot adjustable clothes hook upgrade, giving you plenty of room for jackets, bibs, and riding gear. On the gooseneck deck, we added carpet to protect your gear, cut down on noise, and create a clean surface to work from. And getting up here is easy thanks to the aluminum gooseneck steps that featured locking drawers under each step for even more storage. Between the front cabinets, we've added a lockable toolbox with custom decals for both Peck Brothers and Charmac. Premium interior, serious heat, smart electrical, upgraded access points, and a heavy-duty running gear package designed for real-world use. If you'd like pricing, a full option list, or you want to spec one similar that fits your specific needs, reach out to your local dealer or visit charmactrailers.com, and we'll help connect you with the right team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next walk around.